Hi everybody, so I'm going to do a side dish of carrots. And you can use fresh carrots or your canned carrots. With the canned carrots you would leave out this step. So I'm putting carrots in a skillet and adding just enough water to cover the bottom, and I'm going to put a lid on it and cook them until they're tender, and tender would be to whatever desired texture you like. I was about 3/4 of a cup of water, and then I'll be using butter, a lot of black pepper. These are black pepper glazed carrots, so black pepper is what you're really going to be tasting. It's a sweet savory with a kick. Salt and brown sugar. So when these are tender, I will come back. Any liquid that's left I'll drain off, unless it's just a little bit, then no big deal. And then we will get some color on these and glaze them. So I'll be back. Okay, so these are fork tender. So I'm going to drain the butter. Going to add some butter, and I want to get some color on these. That's what makes them yummy. A couple tablespoons of butter. How's your guys' weather? I've seen snow in some places. It's very cold here today. Very windy. It's been raining for months. Literally 3 months. The weather guy said it has been the wettest 3 months. Well, 2. August and September, and they said October would be as well. I guess in history. And I believe them, because it's rained every day. A tornado sucked out the, what do you call it? The rubber, the seals, whatever, in my car, and then all that rain. My trunk was a swimming pool. Or is a swimming pool. So I don't have a car anymore. I'm going to get rid of that. Just going to have it pick-aparted. I'm going to turn these up to high and get some color. About a tablespoon of brown sugar. And you can make them as sweet as you like. Salt. And then a lot of pepper, because these are black pepper glazed carrots. Get something not so noisy for you. Oh, that smells so good when that pepper hit the pan. Oh my goodness. I'm not a carrot fan, neither is my husband. But I like them this way. Really good. And we are going to have these with a type of, I guess, deviled chicken, but it's not really deviled chicken. And some broccoli. And that will be dinner. You just stir them around until you start seeing, I gotta start wearing my apron. I'm ruining all my clothes. goodness, flattered myself. So when you see them starting to get some color on them, or however you decide you like them, I mean, they can be done right now. You can add more butter and sugar and all that for more glazed juiciness if you like. So there they are, your black pepper glazed carrots. Try them. Really, you guys, try them. They're so good. And I will show you these when they are plated up. So if you have any, well, I guess I'll say that when they're plated up, huh? I guess I'll say it when I come back. I was almost going to give you your final goodbye. So there we go. I'll see you when we have a plate of food.